Hello everyone. In this video, let's learn how to trace this beautiful pattern on cloth. For this pattern, I have taken an 8-inch wooden frame and I have fixed casement fabric on the frame. Next, I am using Pro Circle and heat erasable pen to trace the pattern on the cloth. First of all, with the help of the Pro Circle and heat erasable pen, I am drawing the flowers. You have to choose different sizes for different flowers. You can use the different circles on the Pro Circle for drawing the flowers. Make sure the flowers are touching each other and there are no much space left between them. Also, the flowers must be drawn at a distance from the outer frame as shown in the video. Here I have drawn flowers of different sizes. There are medium-sized flowers and smaller flowers. Make sure there are enough number of flowers in the pattern. Here, this is a semicircular pattern. Also draw smaller circles inside the bigger circles. Since I am tracing a semicircular floral pattern, you have to make sure that the flowers are traced in semicircle. As you can see, I have finished the flower part. Next, we have to trace the leaves. Start from one end of the floral pattern and trace the leaves. The leaves must be thick and big enough. Do not darken the drawing while tracing with the help of the heat erasable pen because we will have to rub off the pattern once we finish stitching. So make sure not to darken the drawings. If you darken the drawings, it will be difficult to rub it off. Also, it will cause wastage of the ink. Draw the leaves in the spaces between the flowers as shown. The number of leaves must be around double the number of the flowers. After drawing enough number of leaves, draw branches and twigs. As you can see, I am drawing branches here and I am adding flower buds on top of it. The shape of the flower buds must be in the shape of the water droplets. Also, the flower buds must be smaller in size compared to the leaves. Next, add the twigs at the spaces which we have kept vacant before without drawing the leaves. Also, at the points where there are single leaves, there also you can add twigs like this. Twigs consists of 3 lines which are converging towards the bottom. Do not draw too long lines for drawing the twigs. If you want, you can add branches and flower buds at the center of the patterns also. So this is how we draw a beautiful semicircular floral pattern. If you want to learn how to do the embroidery of this pattern, do check out the tutorial given in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and understood it well. Do check the description for more detailed embroidery tutorial of this pattern. We will meet in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.